friends. I am on 3 coffees right now because I feeling a little bit jittery, shaky. A lot of my friends and like family told me I have really clear skin. I don't really see it, but I guess like I'm doing something right because I apparently have really clear skin. Like I don't get pimples that often, but I'm here to tell you some tips on how to get really clear skin and like kind of like my skincare, like what I use. If not already, you better subscribe to this channel, and if you feel a little bit generous, you better go follow me on all my social media. And yeah, with that, let's get into the video. So we're gonna start off with what I use. I have a little bathtub full of everything. It's so cute. It's like look at it. For days when I like to take off my makeup, I don't use makeup wipes because honestly I don't really like a makeup wipe because they kind of hurt my face. You don't need the MAC one because this is just really expensive, but it's a cleanse off oil. So this is what it looks like. It takes off all your makeup. Don't like the way it like feels because I feel like it won't take off all my makeup. So what I do is I take this and I put a couple pumps of it in my hand, and then I take my face wash, which is face wash, which is literally empty. And this is the Biore Free Your Pores Charcoal Face Wash. This is the best face wash I have ever used in my entire life. The first time you use it, and like once you like wash your face off, your face feels like tingly and like amazing. You feel like your skin just being like, oh, it's just amazing. What I do is I put a couple pumps of this, and then I put like 2 pumps of this, and then I put that all on my face, wash it off, and I take all of my makeup off. If you don't wear makeup, or for when you wash your if you don't wear makeup, or if you like are washing your face after like you're not wearing makeup, then just use this. Exfoliating is important. I don't care what all these people say. Don't exfoliate because it makes your face red. Yeah, if you exfoliate like 14 times a day. Chill out, bro. Once a day, or even like twice a day maybe, but like once a day is better. Exfoliate your freaking face. I used to have these dark shadows right here, and I have a dark spot here, but I covered it with concealer. This is the MAC what is it, volcanic ash exfoliator. But this, it's like, so I like will put it all over my face, but the parts that I mainly focus on is here and here. Yeah, this is amazing, and it smells really good too. It just kind of smells like exfoliator, I don't know. Okay, so now after the washing of the face thing, I don't do this all the time just because like, you know, like it's not important, but I used to do it like a lot. Toner is amazing. It's just like, toner's really for like when I wear makeup. That's when I usually do it, but like honestly I don't even use it that much anymore. This is the Body Shop Vitamin E toner, and I used to use the face wash from there too, which is really good. Body Shop has good freaking stuff. What I do is I used to have the cotton pads, but then I was like, girl, let's use toilet paper. Take like toilet paper and I fold it into like a square sort of thing, and I put some of this on there, and then I rub like my face and like my neck to get all the excess dirt off of it because it is great. So moisturizer, I use, pretty much everybody uses this one. Dual action moisturizer, like everybody uses this one pretty much, but it's really great. I just put like a pump or 2, and then I put it here on my eyes and in like here because I have some redness here. This is another product that has changed my life. So this is Tarte's Maracuja oil, and it's honestly like amazing. Like it's great. You open it up and it's like a dropper sort of thing, and I put 2 pumps of that, like 2 tiny like itty bitty, like wee bitty drops. Rub my hands together. Oh, I hate them. Rub my hands together, and I just like go place it here, like I just like place it on my face because like I don't want like a ton of oil on my face. So that's like the skin stuff that I use. Now I'm gonna go into how to like clear your skin. If you judge my YouTube voice, I swear, first thing, do not pop your pimples or your zits. Like that's just gonna make them grow like more. Like stop. If you have a pimple on your forehead and you pop it, and then it's just gonna make more grow on your forehead. Like popping your pimples does you no good. I know this is like kind of like hypocritical from what I was just saying like 2 minutes ago, but give your skin time to breathe. So only wash your face like 2 times a day. Honestly, that's drying out your skin, and if you put all of these freaking chemicals on your face, then it's not going to give your skin time to breathe, and it's just going to clog your skin, and it's not going to feel very good. I'm not going to give you all this BS about like, don't stress out. If you're in school, you're going to stress out. I'm sorry. I go to a really stressful school, and that's just going to cause more pimples. So you know what? Stress out all you want. Just want like, and this is a tip that's like really annoying for a lot of people, because like I understand. Eating fresh fruit, tomatoes can clear your skin like no other. That's why I think I have really clear skin, is because as a kid, all I did was eat tomatoes. Like, tomatoes are the best things to ever walk this earth. They don't walk. That can clear your skin, especially if it's fresh. Like, okay, so there's pretty much like 4 or 5 types of like skin types. Number 1 is oily skin. If you have oily skin, try to avoid things such as like maracuja oil. Here's why. I know a lot of people who don't put moisturizer on just because they think it's going to like make their skin like a lot oilier. Is that a word? I don't know. Avoid it because they think it's gonna make their skin more oily, which is so like stupid. No, you need moisturizer. It's just, it's like hair. If you keep like washing your hair, it's because your hair is producing natural oils. And the same thing, your skin is producing natural oils constantly, but when you wash it, it dries it out. So you need moisturizer to kind of like boost the natural oils. Do you understand what I'm saying? Am I making any sense? I don't think I am. Ashley, are you judging my YouTube voice? What? Okay, so the second type of like skin type is dry skin. The thing with dry skin is like it can cause a lot of redness. I think that like you can't just have like complete, yes, my thing is that you can't just have complete dry skin. I feel like you have like spots of dry skin, like where you have your most like redness and like flaky skin. Like for me, that's like here and like here. And those spots is where you put like oil, or that's where you focus like things like maracuja oil. So I used to take maracuja oil and I'd put it here and here, because that would kind of help it like boost the natural oils. Okay, bye! And also, if you have dry skin, try to avoid like exfoliating, because that's just going to make your skin flakier, and it's just like, it's like, don't do it as often, like once a day, or like maybe do it like once a week, because the thing with exfoliating is it's taking off the dead skin, but it also can like take off some of the new skin. Do you know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying.
You know what I'm saying? Sensitive skin, this is where you're gonna avoid exfoliating like altogether. This is when you need to go to a dermatologist and you need to figure out what works for you. But like if your skin's very sensitive to things like exfoliators or face washes, go to a dermatologist. Please don't take my word for it. And now with like the makeup aspect, you have to remove your makeup. Don't sleep with your makeup. You need to wash your face. Wash your face. Take your makeup off. And I'm kind of bad about this, but if you use a beauty blender, please wash these. The thing is, you're taking it and you're dabbing it all over your face, and it's just gonna produce more and more acne. When you come back from your workout, you need to shower immediately. You need to shower immediately because the sweat is just adding on to like the oils in your face, especially if you have oily skin. I used to have such oily skin, and that's because I would sweat like I would sweat so much. That just like adds on to the like natural oils, and that produces more oil, and it just produces more pimples. So when you get back from working out, you need to shower. And this is a very like unpopular opinion, but I don't believe that washing your face in the shower is the right thing to do. Here is why. Typically people take hot showers, like that's just kind of a normal thing. I don't know a lot of people that take cold showers. The thing with hot showers is you're constantly like putting your face in the water, and it dries out your skin like you don't even know. When I get out of the shower, my face feels actually so disgusting because it's so dry. So what I would do is I would like shower, get out of the shower, change, put on your stuff, like whatever, and then go wash your face, because that actually makes your skin feel good. Like drying out, like I hate like This was a pretty useless video just because I feel like you shouldn't take my opinion, because I'm also like a 15-year-old girl who doesn't get acne as often. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please be sure to, what should they do, Ashley?
Like and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're feeling a little bit generous, nobody knows this part. Does nobody watch my video? If you're feeling a little bit generous, follow me on all my social medias. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh shoot, that must have hurt. Bye.
Be over at 10, you tell me time and again, but you're late. I wait around and then I go to the door and I can't take it anymore. It's not you, you let me down again. Baby, baby, I try to find a little time and I'll make you happy. I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting for you.